Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an ultimate pantry clean out organization. It may become a two-part thing depending on if I need to get more bins and things like that, but I'm gonna at least get started on it. I have been putting off the pantry for a while. I keep throwing stuff in there, and usually I'm a super organized person, but I've let this pantry get a little bit out of control, so I have got to start tackling it. I have some organization in there already that I'm gonna work with, and then I got a couple new things. I'll show you what I grabbed and take you along, and yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So here is the before. Oh, it is seriously a mess, you guys. I am not enthused with how disorganized I have let this become, but we're gonna tackle it today. I already have some like organization type of things in here. Like I have the baskets, I have some things down there, I've got these bigger ones for baking. So I just basically need to pull everything out and redo it, add stuff. I did get these containers a while back that I really like, and I'm probably gonna end up getting another set of those. But I'm just gonna have to start and work with what I have. Just so I can make some sort of progress, and then I can see what I need and what I have left that doesn't have a container or a basket, and get more things later. So this may turn into a two-part filming series. If you're catching the beginning of this, then this is what it looks like now, but I may have to go out and get some more things. We'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, here's the before. I'm gonna pull everything out of here because I cannot start unless I have a clean slate, and I don't know if anyone else is the same way, but I'm just gonna start pulling everything out, going through stuff that's old or needs to be thrown out or whatever. So let's get going. I got these really cute Rae Dunn inspired stickers off of Amazon. I will link them down below. I'm obsessed with Rae Dunn, and I have a little bit of pieces in my kitchen. So I love these. They were just exactly what I wanted, small. They have tons of choices for pantry labels and different things. So I got a pack of these and just pulled out what I had to stick on my containers, but they stuck on really nice. They fit everything good, and they look super cute, so I'm really happy with them.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. Here's the finished look. It's not perfect and not exactly how I want it, but it definitely needed to just get started, and it looks way better than it did before. And now I can at least see everything and see what else I want to organize and get baskets for, and that was the ultimate goal. But overall, I'm happy with this. It looks way better, and I can find everything, and I realized we have way too much junk and stuff, but I feel good getting it done. So I hope that this motivated you to go clean out your pantry. Go grab some cheap bins from the dollar store or wherever and just start organizing, because it really does make a difference, and it helps you see everything so you're not buying multiples of things that you don't need. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you hit like and subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.